If you are waking up feeling really fatigued, feeling like you didn't have a good night's sleep, you could have sleep apnea. And we could help diagnose that condition for you when you come into the office. And it's important that you get that under control because it could lead to other chronic diseases like hypertension, heart disease, depression, and things like that.
Sleep apnea occurs when a patient is sleeping and can't get enough oxygen into his or her system because of a blocked or obstructed airway. Statistically, more than 60% of patients who are diagnosed with sleep apnea and are prescribed a CPAP do not wear it because of discomfort. A dental appliance is an effective treatment option for most people and is much easier to use. Finally, rest quietly, wake feeling revitalized, and give yourself a chance to avoid some of the complications that come with leaving sleep apnea untreated. We look forward to having the opportunity to serve you. Be sure to let us know right away if you're experiencing any of the symptoms of sleep apnea. Call us today and make sure to download our new patient special by clicking on the Dental Deals button below.